Hi, my name is Florian. I'm application engineer for Advantech Europe, and today it's my pleasure to introduce you Emb Store, our latest development in Direction Cloud, and as far as we know, the first development in the embedded and industrial market. Now, in addition to our full range of embedded boards and systems and as well embedded software services, we are also offering an on-demand online service which allows you to get the latest drivers and system manuals in time for your platform. Up to now, system developers has to find their way to a mess of softwares, being careful to make sure everything is working together and is compatible to each other. That's the point where we are kicking in with our Emb Store. We are offering also software from one dedicated server. So you're just going to our website, you're downloading Emb Store, and you're getting all the software with one click from our server, already tested for compatibility. Emb Store provides access to optimized and tested software and drivers as well. Emb Store makes sure you only get the software which is also running and dedicated for your system and for your needs. Also, if you need specialized software, there is the possibility for you to write your own applications, which you can include in your own Emb Store. With Emb Store you can download the latest BIOS, the latest manuals, or the latest drivers for your platform with just one click. All you need is an internet connection and our Emb Store. Emb Store is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the whole year. There is no waiting time, there is no shutdown time. Whenever you need it, you're just connecting to Emb Store and get whatever you need, drivers, BIOS and so on. For the industries, there are also cases when you don't have internet connection or when you don't want to have internet connection for security reasons. Also for this we have a solution. You can set up your own Emb Store server and connect with your clients to your own Emb Store server which you have filled before with the content. Emb Store simplifies system developing, system management and system maintenance. One click and you get all the stuff you need. Everyone can use it. Okay, let's have a closer look on our Emb Store. When you're starting Emb Store, you have two plugins already installed and a configuration. The first plugin is the System Update plugin. If you're clicking on System Update, you see can download the system driver, the BIOS, manual, or you can check our FAQ. If I want to get the driver, I'm just clicking on it and I get a list with all the drivers. So one click and he's downloading directly the driver. I also can go back and, for example, download the manual, so he's showing me which manual is available, and open it directly in a PDF viewer. Clicking on Emb Store, it will connect to our server and show you all the plugins we have. Then you can choose whichever you want to install. For example, I want to have the booting manager. I'm just clicking. I get a short description. I see a screen how it will look like after installing, and I get also information about sites, for which operating systems it is tested, and so on. I'm clicking on download, and we have here our booting manager downloaded. So just one click, it is working. I can customize everything I want. Emb Store also contains a lot of driver. For example, I can get the latest hardware driver for the GPIOs, or I can get the driver for the hardware monitor. For the industrial, we are also providing plugins which you are especially needing for system analysis. After you have downloaded some plugins, you just can go to plugins and see all your plugins. You can select one plugin, just click on it, and the plugin will be displayed. You also can remove a plugin if you don't want it. You just click on the X and it will be removed. So he will ask you, you're sure you want to delete it? Yes. And it's removed. With the configuration you can customize the look and feel of Emb Store itself. For example, you can customize it for touch mode. You can hide the configuration, or you can select if there is a first plugin after startup which should be on the front page. If you don't have a start plugin, you also can change the startup screen, or you can change to a mini mode for a smaller resolution. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like Emb Store. Go to our website advantech.com/embcore, download Emb Store, install it on your products, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.